7 Essential SEO Tips to Make Your Web Design SEO Friendly in 2019 to 2020. An extraordinary website is an incredible combination of valuable content, appropriate website design, adequate SEO efforts, and marketing. Website design and SEO go hand in hand, and both have an impact on building up an SEO-optimized website. This further lays emphasis on the major role pretended by website designers in building the whole website and its online reputations as well. To get better at SEO, website designers need to get a more profound understanding of the business aspects of sites. Aside from making killer designs, website designers should consistently know about a basic of the essential SEO experiences that can actualize positive change in their whole website design approach. There are certain rules you can pursue to optimize your site and furnish the search engine bots with the necessary signals. In this blog, we'll discuss the basics of SEO for website design, whether you're building a new website or revamping an existing one. We've pulled together some tips from specialists so you can ensure you're using the best SEO procedure. 1. Use meta tags to make websites searchable. A meta tag is an element that gives information about the metadata of an HTML report. This information could be the keywords, content, page description, or some other detail about the particular page. Not at all like other HTML tags, however, a meta tag isn't noticeable or shown in the concerned page. Although most search engines have since quit using meta tags for positioning, these tags are still viewed as valuable for search engine optimization and furthermore help in expanding the active visitor clicking percentage of the website. There are various sorts of meta tags, the most common of which are meta title and meta descriptions. Although a meta tag minimally affects the page rank now, it can still help in click-through rates as description. Meta tags do appear in search engine results page, SERP. You can use small SEO tool to generate meta tag for a website. 2. Label and caption images for search engine and users use the alt attribution to give distinct content. What's more, we recommend using an intelligible subtitle and descriptive content around the image. The words used within an image's alt tag should be its content equivalent and convey the same information or serve the similar purpose that the image would. 3. Do internal linking to increase user engagement on website. Internal links are links that go from one page on a domain to an alternate page on a similar domain. They are commonly used in the main navigation. These sorts of connections are helpful for 3 reasons. They enable clients to explore a site. They help set up the data hierarchy order for the given website. They help spread connection value, positioning power, around websites. 4. Optimize image for faster load times. Optimizing web images is a procedure of conveying high-quality images in the correct arrangement, measurement, size, and goals while keeping the smallest conceivable size. Image optimization should be possible in various ways, be it by resizing the images, caching, or by compressing the size. Not is just a site's load time calculated into its search engine rankings. The more it takes to load, the more probable it will lose guests. A huge level of data bandwidth use, particularly for e-commerce website, originates from images. All things considered, the image size is a valuable component of a website speed. Optimizing the image will lead to increases of website load time. 5. Keep the layout simple and easy to navigate for web spiders. The better your website layout or structure, the better your chance of positioning higher in the search engines. Each site has some structure. It may be a proper and streamlined structure, or it might be a disorganized hodgepodge of pages. If you're intentional and tentative with your web page structure, you will make a website that accomplishes search excellence. It's one of the most critical parts of a website's SEO execution, but on the other hand, a couple of website owners understand having a website structure that improves SEO. A decent site structure implies incredible client experience. 6. Never put advertisements above the fold. Page format algo is the term given by Google Quest Group for the new change they included their search engine algo today. We all realize that such a large number of commercials over the fold, or when you need to scroll down a lot to see a great deal, or when content is loaded with ads and you think that it's difficult to see the genuine content, it's awful user experience. Google new page layout logo will let down the positioning of the site, which doesn't give great client involvement in the term of promotion situation. You can use the Google Browser Size tool, now part of Google Analytics, to check whether your site content is coming beneath the fold or above the fold. 7. Minimize CSS, images, script, queries and web frames when you minify your website CSS, HTML, and JavaScript files. You can save some significant time off of your site's page to load speed. Now we aren't talking about slicing your page to load speed in half or anything, but with regards to the speed of your site, any little bit helps. How quick your site loads are important for the first-time visitors. However, it is likewise important for moving search engine ranking. The expression minify is programming lingo that describes the procedures of expelling unnecessary characters in the source code. These characters incorporate white spaces, line breaks, comments, and block delimiters, which are helpful for us people yet unnecessary for machines. We minify the documents of a site containing CSS, HTML, and JavaScript code so your internet browser can read them quicker. Enhancing CSS and JavaScript for the program includes something beyond the removal of new line characters, void area, shortening variable names, duplicate CSS, etc. Conclusion. The design of the website and its SEO are the two moving parts of a similar element. Consequently, it should be the aim of each website designer to outfit their knowledge into web designing with the key SEO components that are an absolute necessity to be considered before, during and after a web design task. They should comprehend that they are the ones that will set the SEO fireball rolling while trying to install the WebPega's SEO into the design procedure. We trust that our essential SEO tips of knowledge for website designers will be of immense help to experienced and new website designers